Robotics company has developed one of the most advanced female humanoid robots in the world named Arya, also known as Ms. Xbot. Marketed as a friendly neighborhood robot aspiring to human interaction, Arya is equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms, enabling her to engage in natural conversations and interact seamlessly with people. Using modern materials and technologies, her appearance is highly lifelike, with built-in mechanisms providing realistic facial expressions and gestures to make interactions feel natural. Robotics, the company behind Arya, specializes in creating realistic robots with AI elements designed to integrate into everyday human life. She actively maintains a presence on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where she shares her thoughts and engages with followers. On her YouTube channel, she discusses topics related to artificial intelligence, robotics, and human relationships. Additionally, Arya offers personalized video messages through the Cameo platform, showcasing her commitment to fostering emotional connections with people. The Chinese have unveiled a new humanoid robot named M01, designed to perform a variety of household tasks, significantly simplifying daily life. This robot combines the roles of a cleaner, cook, laundry assistant, and even a caregiver for pets. Equipped with advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence and object recognition systems, M01's primary feature is home cleaning. It can autonomously navigate through a house, identify dirty areas, and clean effectively while avoiding collisions with furniture or other obstacles. Another key capability of the robot is kitchen assistance. M01 can perform basic culinary tasks such as chopping ingredients, mixing, and preparing simple meals. With pre-programmed recipes, it can cook food in an automated mode. Additionally, the robot can handle ironing clothes. Its manipulators carefully treat fabrics without causing damage. The robot can also walk pets, play with them, and even execute simple commands related to feeding. The American company Matrix Robotics has introduced its new humanoid robot named Matrix 1, designed to perform various tasks in real-world environments. Standing at 180 centimeters tall and weighing 67 kilograms, it boasts impressive technical specifications, including the ability to lift up to 10 kilograms with each arm and a walking speed of up to 7.6 kilometers per hour. One of the key features of Matrix 1 is its 22 degree of freedom third-generation manipulator arm equipped with tactile sensors, ensuring high precision and reliability when interacting with objects. Additionally, the robot is equipped with an artificial intelligence system capable of performing tasks autonomously, understanding natural language, and perceiving its physical surroundings. The robot's battery, with a capacity of 2.28 kilowatt-hours, provides up to 5 hours of operation, while fast charging allows it to fully recharge in 45 minutes. One of the most hyper-realistic female robots in the world was unveiled in 2019 by comedian Whitney Cummings. The robot named Whitney is presented as an exact replica of the comedian. It was created to explore human-technology interaction and study how robots can be integrated into everyday life. The robot can replicate facial expressions and certain movements, making it visually and behaviorally similar to a human. However, it does not possess full artificial intelligence but can perform pre-programmed actions and respond to specific commands. The development of robot Whitney was undertaken by Real Doll Company, which is specializing in creating hyper-realistic robotic humanoids. Advanced technologies were used to accurately reproduce Cummings' appearance and mimic some of her behavioral traits. The robot sparked significant public discussion, raising questions about the future of robotics and its impact on human relationships. It also appeared in various interviews and videos, interacting with other comedians and celebrities, pushing the boundaries of humor and technology. Japanese scientists from Osaka University have developed a highly realistic humanoid robot named Afetto, designed to closely resemble a human child. At first glance, Afetto's appearance and behavior make it difficult to distinguish from an actual child. The robot is capable of expressing a wide range of emotions, including joy, sadness, surprise, and discomfort, thanks to its highly advanced facial expressions and cutting-edge facial control systems. Afetto is equipped with artificial skin embedded with tactile sensors, enabling it to feel touches and respond accordingly. The robot displays comfort during gentle interactions and exhibits expressions of pain or displeasure in response to stronger stimuli, further enhancing its lifelike presence during interactions. With its realistic appearance and behaviors, Afetto can serve as an emotional companion, be utilized for teaching children, or play a significant role in psychological and sociological research. Paxini Robotics has introduced its latest humanoid robot named Torah 1, designed for tasks in industry, service sectors, and everyday life. Torah 1 can lift up to 10 kilograms and reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, maintaining balance even on challenging surfaces. Its battery allows it to travel up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. To analyze the surrounding environment, it uses 4 monochrome cameras and 1 RGBD camera, providing precise spatial awareness. The robot's modular design makes it easy to customize for various tasks, and its dynamically adjustable height, ranging from 1.5 to 1.9 meters, makes it a versatile assistant in any space. According to the developers, the robot is equipped with 15 types of tactile sensors and can perceive nearly 8,000 tactile signals, allowing it to recognize and grasp objects with incredible precision and delicacy. While the robot has no legs, its sporty chassis ensures smooth and rapid movement. The Bionic soft hand is a pneumatic robotic hand developed by the German company Afetto, a leader in automation and industrial robotics technologies. Inspired by the anatomy of the human hand, the Bionic soft hand offers exceptional mobility and functionality, making it ideal for use in collaborative robotics projects. Its design ensures safety when working alongside humans and makes it suitable for various industrial and service applications. Constructed with elastic materials and pneumatic structures, the Bionic soft hand can perform both powerful and delicate movements, adapting seamlessly to diverse tasks. Afetto, renowned for its innovative bionic projects, has equipped the Bionic soft hand with the ability to learn new tasks using artificial intelligence algorithms. This feature allows the hand to optimize its actions independently through trial and error, enhancing its adaptability and efficiency in dynamic environments. The National Center for Artificial Intelligence Innovation in Beijing has showcased the progress of its humanoid robot named Tiangong. This robot is unique as it has become the first in the world capable of running using an electric drive. Tiangong's average speed is 10 kilometers per hour, while its maximum speed reaches 12 kilometers per hour. The robot moves successfully across various surfaces, including slopes, stairs, grass, gravel, and sand. In the year 2024, Tiangong won several competitions, including speed races and obstacle courses, at the Zhongguancun Biomimetic Robot Competition in Beijing. Additionally, it garnered attention at the Beijing Half Marathon, completing the distance and demonstrating its capabilities in real-world conditions. An interesting aspect of the project was the open sourcing of Tiangong in November 2024. This provided access to its software and design documentation, accelerating the development of humanoid robots and reducing research and development costs in this field. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.